You want your paradiddle grooves to sound better? You want to explore all your bass drum options in paradiddle grooves? Here's what you got to do. This is the one exercise you got to do. Paradiddle grooves, if you don't know, are paradiddles. Right, left, right, left, right, left. But played right hand on the hi-hat or left hand on the hi-hat if you're left-handed. I'm not going to go into the specifics. Right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum. Right, left, right, left, left. But you're going to accent the first left that lands on beat 2 and 4. Bear with me. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. It's as simple as that. Now the issue then comes when we add in the bass drum, because we're not used to the bass drum falling in certain places with this level of coordination paradiddles going on. We're used to straight 8s and then the snare drum just being 2 and 4, keeping it nice and simple. So, fortunately, to fix this, there are only 4 steps. First, you're going to play a bass drum on the 1, so all your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that's nice and tight because you'll probably play that one quite a lot. Next, bass drums on the E's, so the second note of each paradiddle. 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E. That might be quite difficult. This is one of those exercises you might want to write out just so you can see it visually, because it's very easy to get your rights and lefts mixed up. You might see what happens next. Once you got E down, you move to the and, 1 E and, 3 and, then to the 1 E and. See if you can play them all through. And there you have it. Start to combine them however you like. So you can sit and combine however you like. If you want to really iron out the nooks and crannies, play a bar on the beat, so 1 ands, and then play a bar of E's and U's. Obviously, slower than that. The aim of the game is to get everything nice and tight. Play it with a 16th note metronome if you really want to lock it in. So, enjoy playing all your funky new paradiddle grooves.